Day 7. The Art of Shutting the F Up. Hi, it's your friendly neighborhood therapist, John here, and welcome back to Day 7 of How to Meditate. In today's session, we learn the art of shutting the F up. And before you click off, trust me, it's a lot less aggressive than it actually sounds. Many of us hate silence, myself included. So we're always in search of trying to fill that silence with something. Yapping away about the latest news or gossip. Or maybe you're like me and you love listening to something in the background, like a nice YouTube video, audiobook, or podcast. The point is that a lot of us will do anything to avoid that awkward and a lot of times self-reflective pause that comes with silence. And you want to know what ends up happening? This desperate need to fill every moment of our life with noise ends up tiring us out. But today, this changes. Because today, we tap into the huge relief that is learning to shut the hell up. Up until this point in the series, we've been doing some serious work. So today's practice is going to be about rest. We're going to tune in to the subtle relief of not talking, to not needing something going off in the background. This includes the sound of rain that I'm sure you've grown accustomed to throughout this meditative series together. So today, our meditation is all about embracing silence. And that starts now. Okay, so find your meditation position. Eyes can be closed or half open, softly gazing at the ground. Let's start by taking a couple of deep breaths in together. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. As you take another deep breath in, let it be the deepest breath you've taken today. And then as you exhale out, make sure there's a downward motion, like you're sinking into the body. As you start to take another deep breath in, it's like you're really stretching out your spine. And then as you exhale out, it's like you're trying to breathe out any tension. So loosen up the jaw, relax the tongue and the lips. Notice if you might be clenching any of your teeth at all. Rest all the muscles in your mouth as you start to take this break from talking. Okay, so take a moment here to bring forward your equanimity. So for review purposes, equanimity is our ability to trivialize the trivial. In meditation, this means that if you're experiencing any distancing sounds or jarring thoughts or lingering desires, you let yourself become aware and observe these sounds, thoughts, desires, but without judgment. Keyword on without judgment. With equanimity, we rise above and become bigger than what's going on in our environment. You're not trying to control anything in your experience. It's all allowed to be here. You just don't have to feel the need or pressure to respond. Just let it float on by. The instruction is to bring your attention to the world of sound and silence that's all around you. It may be quiet, or there may be sounds all around. Either is cool. Allow your ears to rest along with your mouth and embrace the sounds of your environment. Embracing the silence is what today's session is all about. Because silence is rest, but that rest can only come when you learn how to shut the hell up and embrace the luscious companionship of silence. Keep going. When your mind wanders from the silence, notice and gently bring your attention back to the sounds within the silence. Make silence your home base for today's session. Keep going. Maybe you're struggling with a lot of inner dialogue, a lot of chatter inside your head. That's fine. Let it run in the background, while in the foreground, your attention stays on the sound of the silence in the room. We're almost done. And now, for these last few moments, let go of any agenda you had for this meditation and just marinate in the subtle pleasure of not needing to say or do anything. So, what did you notice? Wait a second. No need to respond. No need to have an answer ready. That's what this meditation is all about. A chance to rest without the expectation of having all the answers. We all need a break once in a while, and I'm glad you allowed yourself one today. When you're ready, open your eyes. It was nice spending some time with you today. Now it's my turn to shut the hell up. God bless, and I'll see you tomorrow.